Good morning and welcome back to the Crypto Market Updates channel. Unrehearsed, unfiltered, and uncut. Today is the 19th of July, 6 a.m. in the morning. Hope everybody is having a fantastic midweek, point of the middle of the week. Welcome to Wednesday. I don't know for you guys living out wherever you are, if you are watching this from South Korea like me, then I bet you must be wondering what the heck's going on with this weather. It's been raining for like a month straight, just non-stop rain. It doesn't stop. I think it may be raining right now as we speak. It's crazy. Anyway, in today's live topic, Ethereum has been doing some things. There's lots of things happening on Ethereum, so let's have a look at Ethereum. But first of all, let's have a look at the market overall. The overall market is looking pretty good on CoinGecko right now. Bitcoin in red, Ethereum in green. XRP is still green at 76 cents, holding up there. ADA is beginning its descent. Sadly, Solana in green at $25. And everything else is looking pretty green with the exception of BNB and Bitcoin right now. Even Tether and USDC are in green, surprisingly. USDC exactly at $1 and Tether just a penny below. Coin market cap, let's see, coin market cap. Bitcoin at 29,000. What happened? What? Bitcoin broke below 30,000? Wait a minute. Holy moly, I just noticed that. Bitcoin broke below 30,000. That is, well, that is a twist that might change the course of this trajectory. Wow, okay. Wasn't able to hold the where is it? Wasn't able to hold the support on a daily, on 1 hour. Yeah, okay, so it's just within the channel still. What's going to happen over the next day? I guess if it does break below the support, then it's slide down for Bitcoin. Wow, that should be interesting. In any case, we're here to discuss Ethereum, so that's what we're going to do. Crypto survey, fine. So the topic of the day is Ethereum might surpass Bitcoin and dominance and market cap dominance. If we look at market cap dominance right now, here, let's look at CoinGecko. It's a lot better visible on the smaller screen. Market cap's got messy writing. So the overall market cap for Bitcoin is $577 billion. Ethereum is just about half that, a little bit less than half that, I guess. Maybe, yeah, a lot less than half that. Not a lot, a little bit. Okay. And the overall supply right now, I think Ethereum has 120 million ETH versus the 21 million Bitcoin, of which allegedly, I read an article, I think yesterday, that right now, look at that, there's circulating supply 19 million, but apparently there's something like over 7 million Bitcoin that are lost right now, due to it being locked up in wallets for which keys have been lost, etc. So chances are that we may be seeing, in the end, a lot fewer Bitcoin out in circulation than there actually are. So crypto survey finds 47% of investors expect Ethereum to surpass Bitcoin. Fidelity Digital Assets gave a bullish forecast for ETH in the next 12 months, while a separate survey from Crypto Vintage found 47% of investors expect Ether to surpass Bitcoin. That's the idea. Institutional investors like Fidelity Digital Assets may have a bullish longer-term vision for ETH price. Let's compare the analysis. Report points to a 15% increase in the number of active Ethereum validators in the second quarter. So Ethereum just recently switched to proof of stake over from proof of work, and the number of people staking ETH is on the rise. And with the growing ecosystem in the DeFi industry, a lot more ETH is being staked because a lot more money can be made by staking ETH, so people are piling in. ETH reached a massive new milestone. Glassnode Analytics company has shared that the amount of Ethereum locked in the ETH2 deposit contract has reached a new peak value of a staggering 25 million ETH. Let me just check here quickly because for some strange reason my phone wasn't working. I didn't see the video. 25 million ETH staked, which is a massive number. Why is Ethereum outperforming Bitcoin since the merge? Chancer. Some key takeaways. These are opinions, obviously. Ever since the merge went live in September, ETH has outperformed Bitcoin significantly. This is despite the supply of Ethereum falling post-merge. Don't forget that Ethereum has become a deflationary crypto coin. So with every time that it's used, more and more of it is being burned. So more ETH is also being staked, so there's a lot more ETH being taken out of supply, thus diminishing the overall supply and creating scarcity and I guess demand, possibly, right? Because if all of it is locked up or gone, that's going to impact the price. Regulatory crackdown and greater institutional interest in Bitcoin appear to be driving the divergence, writes our head research. That's what they wrote. Vitalik Buterin explains how Ethereum plans to make crypto wallets as simple as email. So there is a large number of people working on Ethereum and developing things on a regular basis. Modern account abstraction is really elegant because it doesn't require blah blah blah. So anyway, Vitalik is planning to make Ethereum wallets work a lot smoother, which would help people use it easier, I guess. That would be the idea. 4,588 ETH worth $8 million was just burned. That's pretty massive, a massive amount. Hidden gems are falling, waiting to be found. What the heck is this? What happened? On Monday, a total of 4,588 ETH worth 8 million based on the current value of Ethereum at the time of publication was burned from Ethereum transactions. Burning is when a coin, we know what burning is. So that's what happened. 4,588 ETH burned. Oof, up in smoke. Why it matters. On August 15, 2021, the Ethereum blockchain implemented an important upgrade known as this here, EIP 1159. The Ethereum improvement proposal changed the fee model drastically. Now, each transaction includes a variable base fee that adjusts according to the current demand of block space. This base fee is burned or permanently removed from circulation, lowering the supply of ETH forever. So, eventually we are going to see a lot less ETH than there is. Ethereum is currently issuing new Ether at the rate of 4% per year, although this is expected to decrease to around 0.5 and 1 as a part of the Ethereum 2.0 upgrade. Once this focus occurs, Many speculate that the burn rate of Ethereum will be greater than the token's issuance, causing ETH to become a deflationary currency. The net annualized issuance rate of Ether yesterday was 4.69%. Oh yeah, these are the ETH burn statistics. So yeah, what's happening here? Gas fee 78.2 Gwei. Total ETH burned is, what are we at here? What is that? 3.469 million ETH have been burned, which amounts to $6.5 billion of ETH just burned up in flames, gone. Burn rate, we've got about 3 ETH burned per hour, which amounts to $5,000, almost $6,000 of ETH burned per hour. That's crazy. Every 24 hours, about 2.17 ETH burned. Not bad. And if you go to beaconche.in, you can see the burn rate. 0.3 ETH burned just now 1 minute ago, another 3.3 a minute ago, and so on and so forth. So this is kind of neat. neat. Glassnode tweeted just today, I guess, yesterday. Total value of ETH2 deposit contract just reached all-time high, 25 million ETH deposited, rather, not staked. So lots of people using ETH. Somebody just contacted me claiming to introduce a new ETH killer to me. I'm gonna make a video about that upcoming, but there is no ETH killer. There is also ZK Sync. So the ZK rollups have arrived to Ethereum, and ZK Sync is doing apparently surpassing the number of transactions. Ethereum recorded approximately 946,000 daily transactions as of this writing, where ZK Sync posted a remarkable figure of over 977,000 transactions. ZK Sync would be run on Ethereum, obviously, and which means it's scaling up. Transactions might even lower costs, but it will make Ethereum significantly faster. Here's some stats here on Ethereum. Transaction fees. Bitcoin compared to Ethereum, if you notice here. Let's see, does it work? Yeah, it works. Overall, so Ethereum is in red, Bitcoin is in black, and you've got Ethereum transaction fees skyrocketing over 2021, 2020. Right now they came down. Bitcoin and Ethereum is still above Bitcoin, but they have an interesting kind of pattern. They skyrocket. And the reason why Ethereum skyrocketed here was because of its usage, obviously. The more people use Ethereum, the more transaction fees there are. So those who are saying that Ethereum has super high fees, yes, that's true, but the reason why the fees are so high is because people are using Ethereum. Transaction count, a number of transactions being used. Look at this, Ethereum. How many transactions of Ethereum, how many transactions of Bitcoin conducted? This is like in over a million, 1.5 million transactions on Ethereum in 2021. Yeah, we're right now at 1 million, and Bitcoin is hardly, well, comparatively, it's only half that of its usage. Number of active addresses, let's see. Ethereum, there's a lot fewer active addresses of Ethereum than there are of Bitcoin, and the reason probably most likely being because everybody talks about Bitcoin. Bitcoin gets a lot more exposure. Whenever there's talk of crypto, it's always Bitcoin, and so that's probably why the number of addresses is much higher than Ethereum, which may or may not change. Where are we here? Addresses, number of addresses, number of yeah, okay, here we go. Percentage of supply and profit. How many people are in profit? So Bitcoin and Ethereum, it looks like the charts kind of have been overlapping. Right now there's fewer people in profit than on Bitcoin. I guess there's a lot more people who invested earlier on in towards the beginning of this year at 15,000K, or maybe less. More people piled in on Ethereum last year when it was 4,000. But yeah, let's not forget, Ethereum right now stands at what is it, 1,800? Yeah, 1,800 USD at its all-time high. It was at about 4,000, I believe, or just slightly about 4,000. On-chain volume, how much ETH and Bitcoin is being used? Bitcoin is used a lot more, apparently. There's a lot more Bitcoin on-chain. People seem to be starting a lot of their ETH off-chain. Market capitalization to transaction fee ratio. Bitcoin's got a higher market capitalization here. Obviously, ETH is only half that of Bitcoin. Blocks produced. Is this where the merge occurred? Could be. This is where the number of blocks produced on ETH just dropped off right here in 2022, because ETH switched to proof of stake rather than proof of work. So there are no more blocks produced, or very few blocks produced with every transaction, I guess. Yeah, that would be the idea. Average transaction fee. Ethereum trumps Bitcoin, but if you notice, Bitcoin has had its highs as well. Bitcoin has experienced massive transaction fees as well in 2021 and 2018. Before that, Ethereum obviously went bonkers here. But right now, it looks like Ethereum and Bitcoin are kind of going hand in hand. And again, it's most likely due to the fact that Ethereum is being used a lot more. Trading now with the introduction of NFTs on Bitcoin, I guess transaction fees have gone up a little bit as people started trading NFTs and stuff. But Ethereum has had NFTs for a long time, and people have been making cash hands over fist on NFTs, and so transactions skyrocket. Where are we here? Blocks produced, average transaction fee. Oh yeah, that's where we're. Percentage of supply active in 1 year. Supply is dropping slowly. Bitcoin's losing its Bitcoin because it's people keep forgetting their keys, while Ethereum is becoming a deflationary currency, which means that a lot more more ETH is being burned on a regular basis. And so on and so forth. So if you want to check out the statistics, go to the block. You can check out a lot more stats here on the block. And so yeah, I was looking for an article on like institutional investors, but here's an article. Institutional investors flock to stake 1 billion in Ethereum in a week. So there you go. This is from April 26, 2023. After a long anticipated Shanghai Capella, also known as Chapella upgrade, the Ethereum ecosystem enabled withdrawals of staked Ethereum. The staking activity on the platform has not only seen an uptick, but it is writing down record-breaking results. As it appears, the Ethereum network has received an inflow of 571,000 ETH in the week of April, so I think we're beyond that. The staking activity has visibly soared in recent weeks, recording the highest daily number of on April 24th with 126,000 ETH staked, which is massive. Institutional interest, as 21 shares research analyst Tom One explains in a tweet and dashboard screenshot that he posted. The surge is largely driven by institutional staking service providers and large investors seeking to reinvest their rewards following withdrawal. So these people had their ETH staked, they collected rewards, and they ended up restaking all that ETH. So they're not cashing it out. It hasn't been cashed out. It's been restaked. So that's quite significant, I think, and it's something that needs to be taken into consideration because, yeah, ETH is going to fly off the shelves. So the all-time high for ETH was, let's see, what was the all-time high for ETH? All-time low, very nice. Oh no, I'm looking at Bitcoin here. That's not it. Ethereum, please. All-time high, $4,800. So some are talking about 10. I heard mentions of 20,000 Ethereum. So that's a significant jump. How do we feel about ETH? Pretty good, I guess. Most people seem to be feeling pretty good. So that's it for ETH. A quick little update on Terra Luna. Yesterday, I talked about Terra Classic, Binance supporting an upgrade of Terra Luna Classic, and machine learning. So people were predicting a pump of Luna July 31st up to 0001, and then there was the algorithmic prediction of 0.00007, and it looks like Luna is retracing right now. Let's see. Yeah, Luna is retracing back to 08. So since yesterday, it took a nice little nosedive. Wrong chart. Let's see if I can find it here. Where is Luna? Right there, Luna USDT. On a daily, well, it's not too horrible. 07 was below, was much lower here. So, but yeah, Luna stands at 08 right now. Are we going to see a pump up to 1? Maybe. Anything else beyond that is a pipe dream for now. People are talking about $1 Luna. That ain't happening anytime soon. It would be great, but it's not happening. People are gunning for Luna burns and all that stuff, but how much of it is going to be burned, who knows. Let's see, Luna. Let's see some. Some stacks for Luna Classic. So basically, the overall supply right now is 6 trillion Luna Classic, 6.8471297. So this is like, we're looking at almost 7 trillion Luna Classic tokens, yeah, and 9 billion USDC. Circulating supply of Luna Classic is pretty much equivalent to the overall supply. The burn volume, let's see how much Terra Luna Classic was burned. So we've got 39 billion burned. Is that burned? Top burners. Okay, let's have a look at Binance. Is a top burner right now. Luna Classic. So burn a lot initiative burns 62 million. Binance burned 35 billion. burn tax 24 billion, Luna Classic token, Lunatics token, the scammers burned 2 billion. They pocketed a massive amount of money for that token, and they're laughing up to the bank, you know, so ridiculous. And there are some other ones that are burning, but basically the overall burn, so 42 million, including tax, I guess, so 66 billion Luna tokens burned out of nearly 7 trillion. So this is like, I don't know, 2% or something like that, or 1% even burned out of the overall supply. So in order to get Luna Classic to $1 is going to take forever. I don't think this is going to happen anytime soon, but there are initiatives being put in place to help the ecosystem and bring Luna Classic back to life. If not $1 anytime soon, you know, maybe a couple fractions of a penny up. We'll see. In any case, please remember to smash up the likes, subscribe to the channel, share the channel with everybody else that you think may be interested in hearing what I've got to say and what's new, what's happening in the crypto industry in regards to Classic, Luna Classic, or Ethereum, or anything else. Leave me any comment in the comment section below if you have any questions, suggestions, propositions. I look forward to hearing them, and I'll see you tomorrow at 6 a.m. bright and early. Bye-bye.